Hey there, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm about to teach you how to set up Hey Siri on iPhone. So it is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial. To do this, firstly you need to go to your settings, scroll down, click on the Siri and search. So here is your option, listen to Hey Siri. On the option, enable Siri, continue. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 2 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. Done. So this is how you can set up Hey Siri on your iPhone. So that was it for today. Thank you for watching, guys.